arrived. So guys, welcome back to the channel. This is me again, Paul for Test Ride PH. So for today's video, we're here at Alabang for the Manila Car Audio Weekend. So this is my first time actually attending a audio car weekend. I myself is audio enthusiast. I have a bunch of collection of headphones, and this is actually my first time checking out specific audio for cars. So yeah, let's check it out. Yan, dito na tayo sa loob. So, kita nyo yung mga amplifier dito. I have no idea what this is. So yun, meron silang, I assume this is amplifiers. Then of course, you have speakers. This is ito yata display ng Alpine, no? Alpine? Ano ba? Alpine? Alpine. I think it's Alpine. Right? So let's check this out. So they have BMW here. And tara, check natin yung mga offer nila dito sa Alpine. Now guys, pasensya na, wala akong masyadong alam sa sa car audio. So anyway, check natin. So kita nyo dito guys, may mga nakapark na kotse. Kasi after all, this is a car audio event. So I assume na this is where you actually get to test it out. So you're probably gonna sit in a car and then listen to the audio setups. So this is the first day, by the way. Tomorrow James will be here, so I'll probably be doing some editing magic na mag-appear siya in 3, 2, 1. Okay, yun guys, nandito na si James of Keep It Social Philippines. So we've done a couple of interviews from the brands like JBL and Alpine. So I'll be linking his videos para panoorin niyo yung mga interview niya dito sa YouTube and sa Facebook. Sa ngayon, punta na kami dun sa competition, sa audio car competition dito sa Manila Car Audio Weekend. So tara, samahan nyo kami. Okay guys, nandito kasama natin si Sir Mike.
Hello.
He's one of the contestant dito sa EMA competition po ba?
EMA Philippines.
EMA Philippines competition. So sir, can you give us a tour po nung ano po ba year na start tayo sa sasakyan? Ano po ito? Vios na?
Ito Toyota Vios year 2004 model.
Okay. Start muna
Ito
tayo.
yung pinakaunang Vios.
First na generation, no? Ito pa yung ganda ng design niya dito. Anyway, we're gonna move into the car audio na. So, sir, start tayo. Ilan yung speakers nyo?
Yung sa speakers ko, 30 siya lahat.
30 speakers? Wow,
Kasama ni
okay.
tweeters.
Okay.
Ito yung
Ito yung build niya. Okay.
Dito lahat kompleto siya. Kung paano,
Okay.
Amplifiers nandito rin.
Okay.
Battery, alternator.
So, sir, napansin ko, start muna tayo sa battery, no? Since, I guess kapag dahil ang dami mong speakers, kailangan mo yung power, control mo yung power.
Kailangan yun. Yun yung una-una mong i-upgrade.
Okay.
Una, alternator, kasi para siyempre mabigay lahat ng power na kailangan ng amplifiers natin.
Okay.
Tapos next natin yung battery, dapat proper wiring din para okay.
Okay.
Kasi pagka mababa yung ng wiring natin, di rin bibigay din yung mga wires.
Okay. So sir, paano ba kayo nag-start sa hobby na to?
Bali, since high school ako.
Wow, high school!
High school, ko na talaga to, hilig.
Okay.
Simula sa maliliit hanggang upgrade.
So sir, obvious naman na audiophile kayo sa kotse.
Yeah, so,
Tanong ko lang, about sa bahay? About sa bahay? Yung home theater setup nyo, ito ganun din?
yung iba meron.
Iba lang.
Pero
Okay.
sa wala. More on
Okay.
sa car audio talaga.
Okay. So sir, bakit nyo naisipan na I mean, ina-imagine ko, halimbawa, pag mag-isa lang kayo sa sasakyan, ano ba yung pinapaano nyo ba talaga?
Hindi,
or?
off siya, off. Meron akong pang driving na,
Ito for competition po
Yes,
to.
oo.
Okay. Ilang years na po kayo nagko-compete?
na rin, since 2018 yata.
Wow,
Or-
nice.
Pero yung mga build na mga maliliit, matagal na.
Okay.
Nag-compete lang ako nung year na yon.
Okay. So may mga tinutulungan din po kayo na gumagawa ng build.
Yung ano lang ako yung nagbi-build talaga sa akin si Audionel.
Si Audionet. Alright. Okay. So sir, start muna ako. Ano ba yung kapag mag-start ka ng build, ano ba yung hinahanap mo sa mga brand?
Yung sa akin, kasi matagal-tagal na rin inaanap ko talaga yung quality.
Okay.
Oo. Tapos yung sa price din,
Sa
ano
price
din
na,
yun, oo.
okay. So sir, ito I'm sure tanong to ng mga viewers natin is estimate lang. Ayoko i-reveal lahat. Estimate how much na nagastos mo. Ito, yung current setup mo na
Hindi
30
ko
speakers.
hindi ko na natandaan.
Di ba?
Hindi ko na naano yung gastos eh.
Okay,
Medyo
okay.
ano din dandahan din yung iba.
Okay, okay. So, mga ilang taon niyo po itong binuild?
Eto, yung bago, since ano din, 2020.
Wow,
20,
220.
20 ulit-ulit na na-setup
Okay.
hanggang naging ganito.
Alright. Ito guys tinanong ko na sa kanya kanina to. So, for example, nandun kayo sa EDSA, ano yung ipi-play yung music? Let's say nasa traffic kayo.
Oo, dapat
Tapos
yung
lahat tayo nakahinto. Ano yung ipi-play yung music?
Dapat yung yung pangwala sa stress yun. Kasi syempre
Okay.
traffic. Kaya
Okay.
kailangan maganda din yung music.
Okay, alright.
Kasi pag sasabayan natin ng bombahan din, mas
Okay.
lalo
So, nakakuha ba kayo chicks dito? Oh.
Ay, wala. Good boy tayo, good boy.
Okay. Alright, so, ayun, guys, tignan nyo to Sir, interesado ako dito sa itong box na to.
Oo, yan. Yan
Anong
naman,
tawag dito, sir?
box to sa subwoofer naman. Yung
Okay.
subwoofer ko nandun sa loob.
Ito, James, tignan mo yun,
Ayan, yan, dyan sa
Baka dun,
loob.
Kita mo yung subwoofer niya, nandun,
Yan,
Look at
sa
that,
loob,
yan. Yun yung woofer. My goodness. Nalap ko kanina yung woofer, akala ko nasa
nandyan.
baba lang. So ito sir, I'm sure yung mga suspension nito naka-upgrade din, Dahil sa bigat.
May mga siya, may mga support siya sa sa shocks.
Alright,
Kasi hindi kaya, sobrang bigat talaga.
alright, sige.
Yan.
So sir, siguro naman may ibang kotse kayo for family.
Oo, meron.
Okay.
Hindi pwedeng ito.
Okay. Siguro,
Yun.
how about yung speaker nun? Simple lang?
Oo,
simple
lang, pang daily lang na.
pang daily
Hindi
lang.
pwede, na. Okay na to.
Alright, so,
Yan.
ayun guys, so, thank you Sir Mike. So,
Sige, thank you. Thank you,
yeah,
sir.
So, thank you sir
Okay.
sa I'm really impressed dito sa setup niyo.
Sige,
So,
thank you.
Good luck po sir. Good luck po sa
Sige,
competition.
Thank you. Sige po, sir. Thank you.
Alright guys, next interview is kasama natin si Sir Marvin of
Hello po.
Amplified Beast.
Hello.
So, well, it's just look at that. Just look at that guys. So, Iron Man theme. Start muna tayo sa Iron Man. So, sir, why Iron Man?
Actually, sa client ko to.
Okay.
Shout out nga pala kay Boss Jong natin, Kapitan. Nasa barko siya ngayon.
Okay.
Ah,
Alright.
tapos, ito yung sasakyan niya. Ngayon, ako lang yung nag-prep
Alright.
para dito sa EMA. So,
Okay.
so far, perfect installation. So, good start na yon sa ganitong kalaking competition.
Okay. Can you tell us some more about your build, sir? So, ito po yung kapag competition, sir,
Yeah,
naka-highlight na siya, no?
Oo.
Kung ano yung
Without
build mo.
getting into
Too much
very
detail.
deep technical details nito. So we're running a very complete system. So meron tayong tweeters dito, in charge yan sa highs natin. Tapos meron tayong mid-high. Ito naman yung hindi kaya ng tweeter natin. Ito yung Sasalo 4 pieces. After that, meron tayong mid-range, which is mga Neo Magnet ng DS18. And then, kung ano yung hindi kaya ng mga mid-range, dito naman tayo sa mga mid-bass. Yan, we're also running Yinlong battery. Yinlong LTO. So yun yung dito sa likod.
Okay.
Sa doors, practically the same. Meron kang tweeter, meron kang mid-high, meron kang mid-range, tapos meron din tayong konting mid-bass sa doors. Yan. And of course, yung beautiful carbon fiber work natin. Yun.
So, sir, yung owner nito, no? So,
Oo. Yung owner nasa barko, si
sa barko.
Kapitan.
Oh, ay,
Josie.
Kapitan.
Kapitan siya
Wow.
ng barko.
Okay, kaway tayo kay Kapitan.
Oo. So,
Yeah, sir.
ayun, ina-update ko siya every step of the way and
Okay.
he's happy so far. So, sana throughout the competition.
What's the typical client, sir, na what do they look for ba?
Sa builders?
Sa builders, yeah, yung mga ganun.
Well, sa experience ko kasi more on honesty.
Okay.
When you're very honest to what you do,
Yep.
yung word of mouth ba?
Okay.
Ako hindi ako mapag-post sa social
Kasi,
media even though
alright.
may YouTube channel ako, meron akong
Alright.
Facebook page, TikTok. yung word of mouth na yung ganitong
Sa
installer
reputation niya na po.
is very honest.
Nice.
Yung work niya, sure, hindi ganun kaganda, pero at least...
Oh my goodness. Di daw maganda, guys.
pero at least yung honest, di ba? Pagka ako nagkaroon ng mistake, sasabihin ko,
That's
walang under the table na mga nangyayari.
That's nice.
At saka transparency din sa sa pagbebenta ng mga pyesa. Kasi yung mga builders normally, hindi lahat they tend to overprice kasi galing sa kanila yung pyesa. Pero you can get it elsewhere with 30% off,
Okay.
50% off.
How many years have you been with the...
Actually, more on sa mga JDM cars ako dati.
Okay.
Nagde-drift ako sa Japan. US Navy
wow.
ako dati, tapos station
okay.
ako sa Japan.
Sir.
So, yun. Pag uwi ko sa Pilipinas, mahilig talaga ako sa audio. 2020 ako umuwi. Tapos binuo ko lang yung sa akin and then nakita ko parang, alam mo yun, yung sumelan na yung tenga ko. Tapos na-realize ko na
May
masaya
business.
pala.
Okay.
Diba? So,
Right.
nag-umpisa ako tropa-tropa lang, 2021. Tapos 2022, bumuo na ako ng mga paglaro.
Siya si...
So 3 years. Wala pa actually. 2022 ako nag-start. Almost 2 years pa lang ako sa industry.
Nice.
Yun.
Congrats, Congrats on your work. So, ano yan, sir? You just study on your own or...
Mostly, yeah, mostly. Sa ganitong field kasi, may mga taong makakausap ka na matututo ka sa kanila. And at the same time, it's very, parang, yung advice ko sa kanila, kailangan talaga mag-aral ka on your own. Experience, mag-aral, makasira ka ng gamit, makasunog ka ng amp, makasunog ka ng subwoofer, makasunog ka ng mid-range, at least you learn.
Alright,
Diba?
okay.
Instead of following someone, learn from within. Ikaw na yung mag-research.
Learn from your experience.
Oo.
Alright.
So yun yung ginagawa ko. Hindi ko sinasabing marami akong pambili na naninira ako ng gamit. No. Pag nasira ako kasi may support naman behind.
I see.
Magagawa.
Okay.
So,
Sige, sir, a question lang.
oh,
Once you start the car, what sort of music are you gonna start with listening?
normally ngayon bumabalik ako sa old school Old music ako ngayon
Okay.
Pero mga nagbabago kasi 3
okay.
months from now baka more on
okay.
bass na naman ako.
Okay.
Tapos another 3 months more on love songs. Tapos
okay.
babalik sa alam mo yung budots?
Oh, yeah.
Pinapakinggan ko din yun. So
Okay.
all aspects talaga ng audio. Pwede siyang pang love songs, pwede siyang pang bass, yung malalakas, yung nag-hair trick, yun. Pwede siya doon. So regardless lang, palit-palit talaga
That's
siya.
nice. That's nice. Nice to hear. Alright, guys. So, sir, meron kayong Facebook page? Or
Yun, Facebook page,
Amplified Beast?
Amplified Beast. Tapos YouTube channel din. Kung gusto nyo matuto din sa mga audio, nagvo-vlog din ako when it comes sa mga audio products. More on Category 7 din. Yun pa pala, shout out sa Category 7 Philippines.
Category 7.
Kay Boss Jun at saka kay Boss Ray. Maraming salamat po.
Alright, so there you have it, sir.
Thank
So,
you, sir.
Marvin,
Thank
sige.
you.
Thank you.
Kain na tayo. Sige po.
If you were here, so ito yung bass. So, may mararamdaman mo hanggang pa yung rumble ng bass So, galing actually. So, meron sila doon sa computer din maririnig yung, makita mo yung decibels, yung how low or how powerful nga yung output ng speakers depending on the number of speakers. Okay guys, I'm here with Sir Marky of Emma Philippines. So sir, I just have a question. So what we're having now is yung mga sasakyan na I guess they're being judged na po. So
They're being judged right now for measuring their SPL, the power of their subwoofers.
alright, okay.
So for ESPL, we are measuring. We have different categories depending on the number of speakers, number of subwoofers.
Okay.
So we group them by specific sizes para at least pantay-pantay.
Okay. So what sort of low are you looking for? What sort of, is it the clarity? Is it
No.
yung
For this
frequency?
one, it's only for the bass.
Okay,
So for this
how low you
particular
can go?
segment, no.
Okay.
How powerful it is.
How powerful, okay.
So we measure them through decibels.
okay.
So later on, you can see on the meter a figure that depicts the power of the subwoofer.
Okay. So sir, yung Emma, is it new here? Kasi
No, EMA stands for European Mobile Media Association. It has been here since 2008. So it's a professional body who sanctioned to govern technical side of car audio.
nice.
So
nice.
focused on safety. So that would be our main goal. we enjoy the system, pero safe tayo.
Alright. Okay. So, sir, can you, how can they reach you, sir? Meron ba kayo Facebook
Well,
page?
for Emma Philippines, we have Emma Philippines website or the Facebook. So feel free to ask questions with regards to the technical side of Emma. See you guys.
Alright, so thank you,
Right.
Sir Marky.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, and there you have it, guys. This is the end of the video. I hope you like this feature ng Manila Car Audio Weekend. I've had fun and learning a lot about about the audio car enthusiasts and this sort of passion that they have. So I'll be leaving the yung Facebook pages ng mga na-interview natin. Also, make sure that you follow James of Keep It Social Philippines. Madami siya doon mga interview about the suppliers and any other interviews. So again, this has been Paul for Test Drive PH. I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.